Is knuckle cracking bad for you, despite what your grandma might have told you? Cracking your knuckles does not cause arthritis. That's right, there's no scientific evidence to back up this common belief. So, what's actually happening when you crack your knuckles? It's just gas bubbles popping in the joint fluid, not bones grinding or anything harmful. Studies have shown it's generally harmless and doesn't lead to long-term joint problems. But hey, it might still annoy the people around you. So, crack away if you must, but maybe think twice if you're in a quiet room. And there you have it. Knuckle cracking, annoying, but not dangerous. Hit that like button if you learned something new today.